Dear friends, here you see a notification from Employees State Insurance Corporation of Ministry of Labor and Employment, Government of India, Hyderabad. Here we see the notification for three categories, namely UDC, Steno, MTS. Here we can see Steno grade. In total, four vacancies are there. Three vacancies for unreserved and one vacancy for OBC, classified like that. And only I'm going to give you the information, only important information, and rest of the information just you go through the notification. Here you see the scale of pay for UDC and Steno here, rupees 25,500 to 81,100 as per 7th Central Pay Commissions. And here you see educational qualifications for Steno grade, 12th class or equivalent. That means intermediate or equivalent and skill test. Here the department is asking only based on skill, but they are not asking any certificate here. So it is good to all the candidates who are practicing now. So here skill test norms means they are going to be conducted the skill test dictation for 10 minutes at the rate of 80 words per minute, that is equal to lower grade, and the same is to be transcribed within 50 minutes for English and within 65 minutes for Hindi candidates. The transcription should be completed, should be typed on computers. I mean, dear friends. And you see here the age limit for steno between 18 to 27 years of age. It is applicable on 15th February 2022. And the age relaxation is applicable for SC/ST candidates for 5 years and for OBC 3 years. PWD, ex-servicemen, these are all general instructions, and how to apply, etc. The same instructions are given here. You go through this notification, dear friends, how to apply, etc. And payment mode is here for SC/ST candidates have to pay rupees 250, and for general candidates have to pay rupees 500. Mode of payment, etc. are here. You go through the notification. Just I'm giving information, that's it. So if you are interested, then you go through this notification, dear friends. And you see here scheme of examination. We can see for a stenographer, you see, you have to go through, you have to write this examination, the name of the test, that is English language and comprehension for 100 marks, and reasoning ability for 50 marks, and general awareness for 50 marks. The version of examination in Hindi and English, and phase 2. Phase 1 and phase 2 as divided here. For phase 2, this is a skill test as I said earlier, and qualifying mode also given here. Main examination will be 45% for unreserved category, 40% for OBC, 35% for SC/ST candidates. It is required, and that's it. That's all for the important things just I given you. If you are interested, then dear friends, you go through the notification. Just you read it each and every word while you filling online application. So it is very important to you to go through this. Anyway, all the best, my dear friends. Thank you very much.